Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color baby supplies so easily. Let's start drawing. First, I draw toys for babies, starting with a ball. Draw a big circle. Then, I draw a bear that was holding a ball. I draw his face. Then draw his hands and his legs. Next to it, I draw baby clothes. This is bodysuit. It looks so cute. Then I draw a nipple. Babies love nipples. It helps babies sleep better. Next to the nipple, I draw two shapes of hearts. I continue with diapers for babies. Diapers help babies avoid peeing and pooping in their pants. Next to the diapers, I draw baby bibs like this. Draw a cute face. Finally, I draw baby bottles. Draw a cute face too. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use yellow, pink, and green to paint this ball. Then I color the bear brown. Red. Dark yellow. And green. I color the nipple with dark yellow, yellow, and dark blue. Dark yellow. Yellow. I color baby bibs light purple. Next, I color the baby bottles like this. Finally, I use red to paint two shapes of hearts. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.